It turns out Borax is good for more than kitty crafts, and it's only $17. Here are some ways to use up your box long after the kids abandon their DIY project. Make an all-purpose cleaning spray. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of borax into 4 cups of hot water, then mix with 1 teaspoon of dish soap and 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Use this to clean countertops, appliances, windows, and more. Freshen the garbage disposal. Put 3 tablespoons of borax down the drain and let it sit for 15 minutes. Turn on the hot water and run the garbage disposal for 1 to 2 minutes. Kill weeds. Combine 1 tablespoon of borax with 2 cups of water. Pour the formula into a spray bottle and spray onto weeds, avoiding any plants you do not want to eradicate. Clean laundry. Mix 1 tablespoon of borax and 2 cups of hot water into a reusable container. To give clothes a deeper clean and help preserve color, add half a cup of this mixture to laundry, add detergent as usual, and run the machine. Rub out heavy sink stains. Sprinkle borax directly into the sink. Scrub away with a wet sponge to remove mineral deposits and grime. Then rinse with warm water. Deodorize carpets. Mix half a cup of borax, half a cup of baking soda, and 20 drops of essential oil. Sprinkle the mixture onto your carpet, let sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then vacuum up. Clean the dishwasher. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of borax throughout the bottom of the dishwasher. Then fill the dispenser with your preferred detergent and run the dishwasher as usual. This will not only freshen the appliance but also leave glassware sparkling.